There, today we're taking a closer look at this semi-flush mount ceiling light fixture. I just took it out of the box. I love it already. I think it's going to be gorgeous. I can tell you the glass is quality, heavy, substantial, and the color, that light amber, and the scalloping and the design. This is kind of a vintage to mid-century modern kind of look here. It's going to change any space, whether it be your hallway, your bedroom, whatever, bathroom. I think it's going to make a nice addition to any space and give it some personalization. Love the style of it. Can't wait to see how it looks. First, I just want to show you that there's not a lot going on here. We just have some hardware. We have the base plate, which is a brushed metal, which is really a pretty color and complementary pretty much to anything. And then we have the hardware. Now, let's go see the space that we're going to use it in. We're going to see the before, and then we'll check out the after. And then you can decide. Okay, here we are with just your basic 1990 builder grade, no upgrade, traditional light. It was okay, it worked. But now, check this one out. Look how stunning that is. It changes the whole look of the room. It looks so pretty. The hardware is very complementary to everything around it, as I thought it would be. But that amber glass, it just throws off such a pretty glow. This is wonderful. Thank you to the brand, and thank you for watching.